Happy Friday, Rockford, and welcome to this week's edition of School News.
We will be covering a variety of stories, including Mr. Hosford facing off against a member of the varsity bowling team, how Blake Harms became the snow day guy, and a beneficial new program meant to aid members of the community in times of need.
I'm Paige Parrott.
And I'm Abby Bjork. Beyond the Rock School News starts now.
The girls' bowling team recently won their second regional championship in a row against Granville.
With the team wrapping up their season, Mr. Hosford decided to see if he could compete with the champs.
In this brand new edition of Hoss vs. Rams, Mr. Hosford challenged sophomore bowler Kyla Chapman.
I'm Reagan Cooper, and this is a new edition of Hoss vs. Rams. Today we're stepping off the fields and courts and into the wooden lanes of the bowling alley, where Mr. Hosford and Kyla will compete in an epic bowling showdown. Mr. Hosford, how are you feeling about today's competition?
Oh, I'm really scared.
What would you say is your best bowling score?
Oh, 115.
Are you ready for today's competition?
Let's rock and roll, yes.
Kyla, how are you feeling about today's competition?
I'm feeling really good.
What would you say is your best bowling score?
Around 250.
Are you ready for today's competition?
Yes, I am.
Well, there you have it. Looks like all we have left to do is bowl. Good luck to both of you.
Sugar Jets. Boom. That was cool. Slide in there. Boom. There we go. Oh, I got nervous. Yep. Boom. There we go. Yeah. 1-0-0.
Well, it looks like we've reached the end of our match with a dominant win from Kyla. Mr. Hosford, how do you think today went?
I had a blast. I was cheered on by the team. It was fun being a part of this team, and Kyla is really good.
Kyla, how do you think today went?
It went really well. Mr. Hosford did better than expected. He was really fun to hang out with.
On this edition of Hoss vs. Rams, looks like the Rams took another victory. However, a valiant run from Mr. Hosford. That wraps up our Hoss vs. Rams bowling edition. This has been Reagan Cooper with Beyond the Rock News.
I don't think Mr. Hosford will be adding varsity bowling to his resume, but he didn't do too bad.
And it looks like he had a great time participating.
Our next story is on meteorologist Blake Harms.
He has combined his talents in meteorology with a fun way to alert the community through social media.
When the snow starts falling and the roads get bad, there's only one place students go: Blake Harms.
I started it as just kind of was Hudsonville going to close? I went to Hudsonville Public. And from there, it just kind of grew year after year.
Blake has 5 different likelihoods of a school closing.
From very low, moderate, high, and very high.
At the low level, he wants 20% of those schools to close, and at the high level, 100%.
I would like to say I'm right more than I'm wrong, but there are definitely times where I get humbled every single year.
But these ratings are more influential than you think.
So there are a few superintendents who will occasionally ask, how are things looking here, or why are these schools closing, and I am upfront with them.
Predicting the weather takes some time, so you might be surprised to learn that his process only takes
an hour. I'll kind of make a draft map of how I think things might go.
He uses social media to reach a much wider audience in an ever-changing media landscape.
If I just did the predictions on TV, I don't really think many people would see them.
His most famous activity on social media? Live snow day updates on Instagram.
Sometimes I'll do a live stream at 7 o'clock. I know a lot of people who are looking at the predictions aren't watching us on TV, so I try to provide kind of that extra layer.
And for those posting those comments, just know you're appreciated.
I will say people are hilarious, and there are a lot of times where even just a GIF someone posts or a comment, it is hilarious. And I do try to credit that when I get a good chuckle out of it.
Blake's snow day predictions are a fun way to engage the entire West Michigan community. Hopefully, he continues to do this for many years to come. This has been Sam Vermeris with Beyond the Rock.
I'm glad Blake started posting, and I love hopping on his live snow day updates.
For sure. Blake Harms maps are always the first thing I check when I'm hoping for a day off.
Another program that impacts our community in a positive way is the brand new School Assistance Program.
The School Assistance Program aims to act as a helping hand for all students.
Whether that's mental health care, counseling services.
A new program arrived at Rockford this year.
The School Assistant Program is a program run through Pine Rest and the Rockford Education Foundation.
The new School Assistance Program aims to help those struggling mentally, legally, financially, or those looking for a helping hand.
whether that's mental health care, counseling services. If you're looking for counseling services, you then get 3 counseling sessions free of charge. And then if you'd like to continue care from there, they line that up as well. There is a huge online library of resources as well that any of the participants can access to. And the school isn't contacted, it's 100% confidential.
The best part about this new program,
The SAP is free of cost, again, for any of those sessions, whether that, again, is legal, parenting, education services, real estate services, housing, those are all free of cost as well.
you don't just have to be a Rockford student to access this wonderful program.
And again, to any student, any staff member, and anybody within that family as well, even if they don't attend any Rockford Public Schools at this time.
For those looking to make use of this service, visit rockfordschools.org or call the number on the screen and simply say, I have an SAP with Rockford Public Schools. This has been Asa Walker with Beyond the Rock.
Pine Rest partnership with the high school will most definitely be a fantastic addition to our community.
If you could benefit from any of SAP's resources, feel free to visit rockfordschools.org.
Now we'll send it down to Tegan for some last-minute announcements.
Thanks, Abby. Exams are next week, so make sure to study hard this weekend. Congratulations to the varsity cheer team for making it to states. Seussical the Musical opens next Thursday, and you can get your tickets at rocktix.org. Good luck to all the sports competing this weekend. And finally, thank you to all who participated in the blood drive. Now, I'll send it back to Abby and Paige at the desk.
Thanks, Tegan. That concludes this week's edition of School News. Once again, I'm Paige Parrott.
And I'm Abby Bjork. Finish out the trimester strong and have a fantastic weekend, Rockford.